Iteration, as the name indicates, it denotes repeatedly doing some set of statements. Today we are going to see while and for. First we will see while. So what while does is, as I told you earlier, we have statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, etc. Then we have while, some condition. This condition could be a Boolean expression followed by a colon. Then we'll have statement, say, 4, statement 5, statement 6. Then that indentation will go, then statement 7, statement 8. So if you consider this particular program or this particular code, what happens is, initially statement 1 will be executed. Then statement 2 will be executed. Then statement 3 will be executed. Then this condition will be checked. If the condition is true, what will be done? If the condition is true, statement 4, statement 5 and statement 6 will be executed. And then what will you do? It will not come out of this block. It will not come out of this block. What will you do? It will again check the condition. So I'll repeat again. In an iterative loop, the condition will be checked. In particular, in the while loop, the condition will be checked. If the condition is true, all the statements in the block will be executed. And then the condition will be checked again. Then what will be done? That block will be executed, so on and so forth. So let us consider a simple example, then things will be more clear. And let us have very specific statement 1, statement 2, etc. So my statement 1 is print, just I'll put some X. So this will be printed. Then I will put a counter, say I equal to 0. Then I will have a condition while I less than 5. Print I, just for fun, I will put some stars also. It will do whatever you tell. I is equal to I plus 1. Then print end. So if I execute this program, you will understand what the while loop is doing. First statement 1 will be executed. Then what will happen? I will be given a value 0. Then what will happen? It will check the condition. Is I less than 5? Definitely I is now 0. And it is less than 5. So what will be done? It will do the statement. What is the statement asking it to be done? It asks to print I. So it will be printed. Then what will be done? The I will be incremented. I will become I plus 1. So what is I now? I now is 1. Then it will come back and check again. Let us execute this and see what happens. So let me erase this. So as I told you in the last class, to execute a particular cell, what you should do is, in Jupyter Notebook, you select the cell, then press run. What did it do? It printed, it executed first the statement. Then the value of I was 0. Then what did it do? It checked the condition. Now the condition is true. So what did it do? It print I. Then what did it do? It incremented the value of I to I plus 1. Then it will not print the statement. What will it do? It will come back here, because I said this block will be repeated till I is, this condition is satisfied. So now I is 1. 1 is also less than 5. So this line will be printed. This line will be printed. Then what will be done? I will become 2 and print 2 followed by 3 stars. Print 3 followed by 3 stars. Print 4 followed by 3 stars. Now the value of I is 5. When the value of I becomes 5, it will come out of the loop. So that is about while. Okay. Let me ask you another question. I'll make a small change in this program. I'll copy it in a new cell. To create a cell, what should I do? In Jupyter Notebook, I have promised you that I'll tell you about Jupyter Notebook by and by. So I can insert a cell below. A cell has come here, I'll paste the same code. But what I'll do is I'll put this print I down. Let us see what happens. Same code, I'm printing after this incrementing. This is called incrementing. So what is this doing? I is initially 0. Then it will increase the value of I by 1. Now what is the value of I? I is 1. So this code will print I from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us see. Okay. So you can have various kind of things. So So it's not only counting up, you can count down also, or count down also. You can have programs which will count down. So I will make this, I'll change the code by I greater than 0. What will this code be? Now see here, initially I put the value I equal to 5. Now what is the condition? I'm checking whether I is greater than 0. Now, what did I do? Every time I'm decrementing I by 1. Decrement I. So this code, what do you do? Initial value of I is 5. Then you check the condition. What is the condition? Is I greater than 0? Is I greater than 0? Yes. 5 is greater than 0. So it will decrement I by 1. Now what is the value of I? I is now 4. It will print the value of I. Then we will not come out of a loop. It will go back and check the condition. Is I greater than 0? Yes. So it will repeat by itself. So this loop will be repeated 5 times, but it will be counting. Yes. Is this clear? So that's all for this session. Thank you.